Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for your customized printing and merchandise business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first let's enter the website. Now create new site. Now search for your business or your website type, the customized printing. So for example, this printing service. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the dashboard. Here enter your business name, type any business name you want. Here if you want to add your business address, so let's continue. Here set your default working hours. Let's move on. Here if you want to add some services, so let's continue. Here if you want to add your staff. Here what else do you want to do with your business? Accept online payments, sell digital and physical products, and so I'm gonna choose them all. So now continue to dashboard. So now here if you want to design your site, click here. So how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or here if you want to customize the design template. So for me I'm gonna choose this, it's more easier. Now wait a few seconds. Enter your information here, your email, your address and your phone. Here if you want to add the social link, so let's move on. Here pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage here, choose any one you like. Here if you want to add page to your site, so let's move on. Now wait a few seconds to prepare the homepage design. So now your site is ready. Here if you want to edit your site, click here, go to the editor. So here is your website. If you want to design more your website, here the elements, if you want to add elements. So the first section, the text section, the theme text, the titles and the paragraphs. Here if you want to edit the size or the shape of the writing, let's move on to the next image. Here if you're looking for something, if you want to upload image, if you want to import image, and here if you want to show more image. So let's move on. The buttons, here if you want to edit the shape or the size of the buttons, the text and icon buttons, the image buttons, documents and iTunes, and here the payments buttons. Let's move on to the strip, classic or featured or about, services, contact, welcome and testimonials, and the team. If you want add anything here you want, just select and click here and it will be added here. So let's move on to the decorative. So here decorative, the shapes, if you want to edit the same lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines and the vertical lines, the vector art, here the featured, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and the badges, the characters, and here the last thing is the video section, the video box, the video mask and transparent video. So let's move on to the box. Here the themed boxes, the container boxes, the over boxes, and the tabs. So let's move on to the gallery. Here if you're looking for recommended galleries, pro galleries, grade galleries, and slider galleries. Here if you want to show more galleries, so let's move on. The menu and the anchor, the same menus, the horizontal menus and the vertical menus. The the next here the page navigation, the anchor and the end page menu, and the last thing here is the search, the site search. So let's move on. The contact and forms. Here is the forms, the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, application forms, feedback forms, and request forms, the waiver and subscribe forms, and here the Google Maps, the maps and the full width maps, the chat, the Wix chat, and the line chat. So let's move on to the video and the music. Here if you want to edit the video section, and here the music section, you can edit SoundCloud player, Spotify player, iTunes player. So let's move on to the interactive, the slideshows, full width slideshows, the box slideshows, the light boxes. Here is the boxes and the repeaters, the over repeaters, the list. Here the repeaters, the over repeaters, and the blank repeaters. So let's move on to the embed code. Here if you want to custom popular embeds, here the video section, single video players. If you want here to edit the audio settings and the advanced settings, and here the last the animation settings. So let's move on to the social bar. If you want to edit the Facebook bar or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, or here the music and video, YouTube if you want to edit your YouTube channel. So here the payments section, you can edit the payment section here. Here if you want to easily manage your site contents, the blog, the store and the bookings, the events and the community and your designs. So that's it. Here if you want to add section, click here. Here select any section you want. So let's move on. Here if you want to add page and menu, here you can add page and menu. So let's move on to the site design. Here you can edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. So let's move on. Here if you want to add more apps, you can also manage your business. And here if you want to edit the media, if you want to upload media or edit images and videos, or here if you want free Wix images or free Wix videos. Here if you want to manage your site content, and the last thing here is marketing and SEO. So that's it. So that's here if you want to edit your site, move it up or move it down, or if you want to do a quick edit, if you want to explore a section layout, or if you want to do more actions. So that's it. After you're done from editing, just click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.